Hey, I'm at what we call a lawn alternative, and this is places where we plant what's called woodland sedges, or sedges that are made for the shade. Oftentimes it's difficult to grow turf grass underneath trees, for example. So what I'm kneeling in front of is a lawn alternative called Pennsylvania sedge. And this sedge is low, it only gets around 8 inches high, and you can grow this under shade trees. It does very well. It spreads slowly but surely to form a nice patch that actually kind of looks like turf. And because it only gets 8 inches tall, this plant really doesn't need mowing. Sure, you can mow it 1 or 2 times a year to tidy it up, but the beauty of lawn alternatives under our shade trees is they're very drought tolerant. You won't have to mow them. So it is a reduction in compaction under your trees, so that compaction is bad for tree roots. So lawn alternatives reduce that compaction. Extremely drought tolerant. What more is the leaves that fall from your trees will nestle in amongst the plants, and so raking is eliminated or greatly reduced as well. So drought tolerant, easy to grow, and reduce maintenance. Lawn alternatives with woodland sedges is the way to go. I like Pennsylvania sedge. I also like a great one is called oak sedge. There's rosy sedge and bristle leaf sedge and Appalachian sedge, meaning there's around a half a dozen species we can choose from, all of them fine textured, short, tough as nails, great plants for lawn alternatives.